Kumusta na ang Ginvest investment ko after 11 months? Hey guys! So welcome back to my channel. I am your Millennial Filipina. See ya! For those who are new to my channel, welcome to the Millennial World and Millennial Family. Kung napadaan ka lang dito sa ating channel, by the way, I am Sia Cardino, a Kapampangan content creator, and my channel is all about finance, education, travel, tutorials, and anything about millennial life. If you want to know more about millennial life, mag-subscribe na kayo and be part of our growing millennial family. Hi guys! So today's content, i-update ko kayo kung kumusta na nga ba ang aking Ginvest sa Gcash after 11 months. Nadagdagan ba? Kumita ba? Okay bang mag-invest sa Ginvest? If you're interested, please keep on watching. Ano nga ba ang Ginvest? Ang Ginvest guys ay isang investment marketplace feature of the Gcash app. If nakita nyo na tong logo na to sa Gcash app ninyo guys, yun yung topic natin for today. Yun po ang tinatawag na Ginvest. Para sa akin guys, ito ang pinaka-easy at pinaka-simpleng platform kung saan makakapag-invest tayo. Ito rin yung platform guys kung saan as low as 50 pesos mai-invest mo tong amount na to sa Ginvest. That's already affordable. Kasi sa ibang platform guys, 1,000 yung minimum investment nila. I suggest if you are a beginner, i-try mo itong Ginvest ng Gsave. Heto yung transaction history ko guys. Nag-umpisa akong mag-invest noong May 4, 2020 ng 1,000 pesos. Then, noong May 11, 2020, nagdagdag ako ng 100 pesos. So, total, meron akong ininvest na 1,100. Ngayong February 27, 2021, ano na kaya ang update? Note guys, hindi ko pa po redeem or withdraw yung 1,100. Wala pa akong ginawa. Hindi ko pinakialaman. As in, ngayon ko lang siya titignan ngayong February 27, 2021. Heto na guys, insert drum rolls. Charot! Heto na po talaga guys. 1,100 ay naging... Yan guys, naging 1,105.08 after 11 months guys. Ayan na nga, kumita siya ng 5 piso at 0.8. Oh, anong sa inyo guys? Marahil napakaliit lang nito guys para sa atin. Pero sa bangko guys, hindi mo na makukuha yung a year ng 5 pesos. And guys, kaya konti lang ang kinita kasi very conservative yung fund type na to. And it's a money market fund. So it is intended for long-term investment. So, ayun guys ang ating update after 11 months sa Ginvest. Thanks for listening guys! For more tutorials, do not forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button to keep you updated. I hope to see you again on our next content. Stay safe, sane, and strong this season. Love lots guys!